So setting up effective Instagram account bring effective good result for your ad. Creating an ad on Instagram, you can go to business.instagram.com. When you hit on that one, you see that this is the background or the overview on this platform, and when you scroll down, you will see a bunch of stars that they are talking about here. Someone will tell you that you can use this one to start creating your ads. Someone also will tell you that you can use the Instagram page and create an ad on Instagram. None of them is true. I'm going to show you the right way. Adsmanager.facebook.com. So Ads Manager is a platform or fully package that contains Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, and stuff that you can create an ad, post it on any of these platforms, and be able to see results from it. So for you to be able to create a good ad for your business, you need to make sure you use Ads Manager and not this one. So if you check on this one, it's a Instagram ads in Ads Manager. Create, buy, and manage Instagram campaign. So meaning before you can set up an Instagram account effectively, you need to make sure you use Ads Manager. For you to be able to log into Ads Manager, you use your Facebook criteria and log into Ads Manager. But for you to be able to create an ad on Instagram, you need to make sure you have Instagram account. And after creating an Instagram account and you set up your Ads Manager, you add your Instagram link to the Ads Manager on Meta Business Suite, then you'll be able to create a fully account on that. I have a full video on a Meta Business site that talk about how you can add pages and start link your Instagram account to the Meta Business Suite so that you can set up on all these things effectively without hassle. So you can check out on that video here and get your result. So to do that, go to your Ads Manager and create your account. If you don't have Instagram account, you can create one, start posting on it. But for the best way, you need to make sure you turn your profile Instagram account into a business Instagram account. You can do that one because I have other video that you can check out on how you can turn that one to be able to see a better result for your ads that you'll be posting on it. After you have done with that one, then you come to this side, you set up, and then you create an account here. And I have a video on the Meta Business Suite that you can so to set up an account on Instagram, come to this side, you see we have create here, hit on the create, it take you to this side. Here we're going to set up our new campaign. We have create campaign and new set up and ads and stuff. Then we hit on continue, or so we have created a different ads and they are asking us, do you want to use that existing ads or we want to change that ads? So we are going to set up a new campaign. So we are going to use a new campaign section to create a new campaign. So if you create on that one, you will see this one, it assign us our objectives. You can choose any your objectives. So this one, awareness. If you want to showcase your product and stuff to your Instagram, your audience, you can choose the awareness. You want traffic for your business, you can choose the traffic. You want leads and stuff, you want views, you choose the generation, the engagement section. You choose the leads to get likes and stars and email list and stars from it, as download, and we have sales. So to do that, we are going to go for the lead section. So we choose leads here, then hit on continue. Then here we come and choose the manual section, hit on continue. So it is going to take us to this screen. You can name your ads here. You come to that here, you set up your category, you scroll down to this side, we have our campaign objectives and stuff here. You can choose this one and set up your other stuff here. You can set up your A and B test that I've created a video about that one, so I don't want to go deep into that one. After you're done, then you come to this side, that's all the ad section. So here we are going to choose where we want our ads, or we want our people who click on our ads to do. So we want them to fill the form, then you choose the form section, then you include your form list and other stuff. Then you come here, you choose a page that you want to use. So here you choose here, then you scroll down, then you choose the Facebook page that you want to use to run the ad. So I want to use mine. If you have your Instagram page, you can choose your Instagram page here. This one I have not added any Instagram page, so that's why it shows like this. You scroll down here, you come here, you set out your daily budget and other stuff, the amount of money that you want to use to run this ad. So for this one, it doesn't matter the kind of location that you want to use, just set up your daily budget and stuff. Then you scroll down, you set up your starting date and your end date. You scroll down to this side, then you come to this side, You set up your location where you want the ads to be shown, the kind of location that you want these ads to show. Then you set up, and there's been some changes into it. So hit on this side and come to this side. Ads Manager will automatically set up your current location for you, but you can change that if you want it. So to do that, you can come to this side. That's what the black sourcing. Then you come to this side, and then you choose up. You come to this side, or save content. Then you create a new list. Creating a new list, come to this side, then you select those countries that you want to use your ads to run, regions that you want your ads to run, and other stuff. Then you set up that one. After that, then you hit on it, then you choose that location that you want to use. I don't want to do much more because I've created a video on this one. Then you come into this side, you set up your age limit and other stuff. You scroll down to this side, you count the other down by the audience suggestion and other stars, so you can choose that one, or you can add other stars to it. Then you save that one, or you can switch to the original audience and stuff. Then you come to the placement, you choose the placement that you want, you set it manually. So here is where the magic is going to happen. So if you look at this side, we have Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and Messenger. So here is where we are going to choose where we want our ads to show. We don't want our ads to show on Facebook. You just hit on this one, then you hit on this one, then you just leave the Instagram. So our ads will show on in the Instagram. So only Instagram viewers will see the ads. This ads will not show on Facebook. This ads will not show on audience network. This ads will not show on Messenger. It will also, or it's only show on Instagram, right? If you want to include a Facebook to it, then you choose what the Facebook. You choose Facebook, then you add Facebook to it. If you don't want it, just choose the Instagram option. You scroll down here, it will show you Instagram, where the ads will be shown on Instagram platform. We have the Instagram Explore Home, and other stuff. If you don't want it to show on a search results, you can take on and take that one off. You want it to show, you just include it. Whilst you're doing it, you see your estimated reach audience and other stuff that will be shown here, right? And if you come here, we have see more. You hit on it, then you scroll down here, you choose the device that you want to choose, then other stars here, then you choose that one. After you've done with this one, then you come to the ad section where the magic need to show off. So the ad section here, you come here, you choose the media that you want to use. If you want to use a video, image, and other stuff, then you choose that one here. You scroll down to the side, then you set up your creative, you set up your ads, you post in your text, you post in your description, your headline, you choose your call to action, set up your ad creative and the other stars. Then after you've done with this, then you have the instant form and destination and other stars. You have the instant form, you create your instant form here. That one you can create it using the Facebook, so other stars, you create that one here. I'll be creating a video on that one. You can check it out on the next video. Then you come here, after you've done with all of this thing here, you need to make sure you include in other stars here. Then after you've done with this one, you hit on publish. So this is the overview or the preview of ours here. So I can hit on preview and see how our ads will work, what we have done on our ads. So this is what we have been setting up on our ads. Okay, because we have not included anything, I was just showing you where you can include so that your ads will show on only Instagram. That's the best way to run ads. You hit on publish, within some days you'll see your ads online, then you'll be able to see your results on your ads. After you see your results, you come here, you check out what is going on here, you see your results here, then it means your ads is online. So thank you for watching. Check out our next video on how to reach the right audience for your Instagram, Facebook ads.